we're gonna do something crazy, bro. My first time to dye my hair. Oh my god. And she picked the color for me.
Let's see.
I trust her. I trust her.
It's gonna be the color I expect.
Yeah, I always trust her. Hey, have you ever helped others dye their hair?
Maybe no.
Damn. Oh my gosh.
It's easy.
So what should we do first?
We have to mix everything together.
You finished? Let's go, Lo. Let's go, Lo.
ผลงานอ่ะ Yeah. This is what I think. Damn.
It's good on me?
Oh, damn good. Damn good.
Please comment below, let me know you are.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh, it's my first time in 26 years.
Poor you. You should have tried like 6 years ago.
谢谢老师，谢谢老师。Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I appreciate. Yeah. Okay. Good morning. Now it's 11 a.m. and this is the last vlog for the starting aboard. I don't know, these 4 days is quite busy. Oh my god, I have many things to do. I think these 4 days will be very colorful and yeah, excited. I'm very excited. Finally, I can go back. Like you see, guys, you can see my house right now is like shit. I will clean it up, everything. And today I'm going to new project to buy something for my friends and also for me. And what else? And today, I hope I can finish the thing on my list. And I'm gonna go to drive for a day with Pi. Let's go, Taipei! Woo! Ciao.
Fucking damn gay.
Really? But I was enough.
Yes.
Ciao. I finished my shopping. Yeah. I will unboxing later when I go back to Taiwan. You guys will see what did I buy. See. Now we're having our lunch. We eat asahi. Some healthy food, I would say. Actually, our plan is go driving car, but she cannot rent. He didn't pass the certification. So now we don't know what should I do. Maybe we go back later. I don't know. Wow, first time playing lottery. Woohoo! Let's see. And I picked 13 because, and with 3 because what? Because yesterday I saw 33. So, because last time I dreamed about the number and I come to buy, I got 100 euro. Damn, bro. So before I go back, I want to try again. It's fine, just 10 euro.
I feel goosebumps when I have to do this.
Why?
Like when I use fork to do this to the plate. Shit. No.
GG 思密达
เลิศเลยล่ะ
My turn 20 Koi 24 This afternoon we did nothing. I want to go to cut my hair but so many people so I just skip it. Maybe tomorrow I will see.
What?
You know, this is my daily life. I didn't do anything. Shopping, drinking, eating.
We like useless person.
Yeah, we did nothing. This 1 month just like this. So that's why I didn't record many vlogs in this month. That's why, you know, we're supposed to have a driving journey, but we don't know why they just reject us. And tomorrow I think we will pack my suitcase, clean a bit my house. She will help me. Cup and cup.
กูเคยฉี่
Good.
Skirt.
See?
What?
Yo, what's up? Today is April 28th, and I'm packaging my luggage. Oh my god, I'm so fucking tired. I spent like 2 hours, 70%, 80%. I have many fucking clothes, pants. I don't know how can I do. Oh my god. And I have 5 shoes I have to put inside. I don't know how I can do it or not. Right now it's like this, like something like that. Today I gotta cut my hair. I think it's quite short, so I don't know what can I do now, but I just like fuck that. Okay, it's 6 p.m. now and keep doing this, bro. My plan is today and tomorrow I will package all of my stuffs and I can take a rest on 30 because 30 the house agency, he will come here and just to check the house. Yo, what's up? Now I finished like 85%, I would say. Okay. Damn, I'm so tired. Keep working, and today I will finish my packing and clean my house because I have to throw something away, clean the floor, blah blah blah. Yeah, it's kind of boring, but I have to finish it. So I will not record too much about my cleaning. Yeah, maybe that's it. Oh, let's see. What kind of brown?
In dogs.
We're having our lunch. I cooked salmon fried rice, and she said, this is the last time and the first time you don't cook salty."
You always cook salty.
And I have some clothes I'm gonna throw away, but I have to go to like clothes box to recycle. Chicken barbecue or my
Nugget.
Today is my last day in Milan. And now we're going to Malangoni to see last time my campus.
In Marangoni.
Yeah. Because in these 2 days I always like cleaning, so I didn't record much. So yeah, 5 p.m. I have to go back to my house, check the contract, something blah. My last domo. Should I take a picture or what?
As a souvenir.
Okay. Nobody like you do.
漂亮啊。
漂亮 you? 可爱
I got cake from yesterday for sure.
It's like fucking crispy.
This is crispy and it's cracked. It's not like a cake.
We're now at school balcony, and you know when I get in, and the bodyguard he said, "Oh, who are you?" Because I have to scan the QR code. And
But I can pass.
Yeah, this is a strange thing. I can pass. She can pass, but I cannot.
But when she checked and what?
And she asked me what's my name to make sure. Yeah, that's it.
But you said you are a student from last year?
No. We just have a coffee and cake, like an afternoon tea.
In school, balcony.
Yeah, nothing, just want to come here again, my last time. Nothing special.
We will not be Marangoni student again.
Yeah, my tuition fee. Yeah. And now it's break time, so you can see many people here. Have coffee here, have lunch, blah, something like that.
That's why they said from the school we can see Duomo, and this is our first time to see Duomo from the school. Okay.
Bye tuition fee. Bye 1.2 million. What the name is?
Galleria Vittorio Emanuele 2.
Oh,操! Skr. My last time to pass this. Mente poi te pakai tak pada tu
Galleria.
So bella. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm a tourist today. Yeah. I look at this like for the whole year, so I don't feel surprised actually. But
Yeah. We are gonna take.
K-pop vintage. No, I love Milano lah. Oh, okay. I clean everything. Yeah, yeah. Let me show you guys. Skirt, 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 skirt. Skirt, 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 skirt. Clean everything. Yeah, sign. I'm waiting for the agency to come to the house. Oh, this room. You like this room or my previous room?
Color I prefer here, but the layout and interior.
Yeah.
This is quite
Small, like
weird.
she helped me to clean something and package something. Garden nilai Bella.
This one.
You know this
Yeah, it's the same.
Oh, same one. Oh,
It's a copy for you. I keep one copy.
Okay, you bring what?
I brought a keyboard
For
for typing words on Mac.
have you ever used?
No.
Oh my god.
So now I'm gonna throw away. My last name is Milan. So definitely Milanese food. This is called Taasca Ristorante. She says it's so good, right? It's very good.
It's good.
How many times did you come?
I think this is 6 times.
6 times. And what did you eat before? You can recommend.
Your order.
Oh really? It's good.
And it's a lot. For me, it's too much. I never finish.
Yeah, on the photo it looks fucking good. Damn, this is so big. This is fried steak like this. So big.
Yes.
25 euros. Skr skr. Try it. Oh,
Just beef.
this is fried seafood. This is this thing that we ate in Genova, right? Like a 6.5. Yeah.
This is your last metro in this year.
In my life, maybe.
We are waiting for the last metro for him. Because tomorrow to the airport, we will take a car.
See, my car tomorrow is at 6:10. Oh my god, so early.
Yeah, so damn early. To stand Echo now. Echo. Yes, just wait for Echo. Yeah, and Echo. Yeah.